Mamang thadagi horaga Chandel jila asida kondariba tongan-tonganba community singi harau kumhai Jubilee Conference Sports Meet Fellowship na chingba makhal kayagi thoramsing pangthoktuna lakli. Ngarang desu Anal Naga Baptist Association gi Trinal Fellowship ki aroibagi thoram pangthoki. Hojik su chathariba Sothe Students Union Manipur gi Yakhainipan suba Conference cum Sports Meet Purum Chumbang Youth Club na yumbu weraga district asigi Purum Chumbang village ta pangthokli. Tha sigi manungdadi hairiba social program mayamasi mathang oina loisilakpagi tanja adu oiragani. Lairik tamliba satra satri singsu makhoi gi school college ki classes singda hena mityeng changnare. Thabak ingkhang suba lomi senmi singsu masa-masagi thaudangda onsinnaba haunarakle. Sahi asigi class 10 amadi class 12 parikha thagadaba mahiroi sing mathau ningthina pangthoknaba hena kanna honari. Thasida pangthokadaba Board of Secondary Education Manipur na lauba High School Living Certificate Examination da jila sigi oina center ahumda haibadi Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School Liwachangning High School amadi Chopi Karong Higher Secondary School da satra chatruk ki mathakna parekha thagadauri. Matang sida tongan-tonganba sangstan singdagi mahiroi singbu yaifa paujel pirakli amadi marak asida harau kumhaina chingba thoram sing pangthok pidanaba mayamda appeal tawrakli. Tha sigi marida Chandel Forest Division na sinduna jila sigi St. Paul's Higher Secondary School da malem pumbada pangthok nariba World Wetland Day 2023 kaloinana Forest Fire gi awareness program ama pangthokhi. Palan thoram duga mari leinana Chandel gi Divisional Forest Officer Dr. N. Munal Maitaina haikibada wetland leitrabadi malemda jiba panbasu leiroi. Wetland na ising ichau ngakthokpada natana miyoibagi dakar leiba isingi 90% pibaga loinana malemgi jibasingi 40% yoktuna thami amadi industry singdagi thadorakpa nungsit morhanba carbon dioxide gas yauna ekhoigi hakchangbu sokhanba chemical kyabusu subsilli. Afaba wetlands leibada afaba forest changi. Afaba forest leinaba ekhoi uwa marang kaina tharasi mahusadagi forest kallasi sa uchek sing hatloisi amadi forest ki khwaidagi chawba yeknaba lamai chakpa thinglasi haina mahakna miyamda appeal tawki. Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Chandel gi Kungamathoi suba Scientific Advisory Committee gi meeting tha sigi mangada online amadi offline gi khuthangda KVK Chandel gi conference hall da pangthoki. Thauramduda Chandel gi SDO Raikimdar Khaling na athoi mamithung District Agriculture Officer SP Lovejoy Anal amadi Dr. CH Basudha Devi Head of Regional Center ICER Manipur Center na mathang sinna akhanaba mithung amadi thaurumapu ena saruk yaki. Hojik aroibada DC Chandel Heman Kumarna jila asigi matangda handaki 63 suba Ganatantra Divas palanda haikiba wafam taminasi.
Chandel is not just a geographical frontier of India. It is a symbolic frontier of our unity, resilience and cultural richness. Home to diverse and proud indigenous communities, rich traditions and deep-rooted values. Our district reflects the true spirit of unity in diversity that India stands for. As we know that our district has faced challenges of difficult terrain, limited connectivity and many families have faced hardship of displacement. The people of Chandel have shown great strength, patience and unity. I sincerely appreciate the cooperation of our villagers, village authorities, civil society groups and youth in maintaining peace and supporting development of Chandel district.